Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be getting into 3 sneaker releases that we have coming soon in May. Some of these you've already seen shock drops, some of them we have not seen release whatsoever, so we're going to be getting into reviewing them, showing you guys the box, everything that comes with them for some of these ones, but most of them we have everything that you know is required for them, etc. So yeah, that's really what I'll be getting into this video. If y'all want more content just like this right here, I did an in-depth video review on these if y'all want to go check that out from a couple weeks ago. But feel free to subscribe and like down below. I do lots of reviews like this on the channel. That's, you know, mainly what I specialize in here, which trying to 200 likes on this video. And don't forget, you guys can check out my Instagrams down below because I'm doing a military blue giveaway. So if you potentially want to win a pair for free, I have a pair here, but I wasn't going to, you know, break it out and do all that right there. But if you want to potentially win one completely free, you know, if you're already hitting the shock drop, any of that, doesn't matter. You can enter. Anyways, I'm not going to be like picky about that. Then yeah, go ahead. Just check out my Instagrams, the pinned reel on my page right there. Very, very simple to enter. But I hope y'all will enjoy. And why don't we get into discussing, you know, some of these shoes that we got coming pretty soon? Because I gotta admit, there's some that are really nice. May's going to be a good month for shoes. I think a lot of us know that. But let me get into showing you guys some of the pairs we will actually see in the month of May. So first things first, one of the ones that you may not have known that will potentially be dropping in May of this year is going to be the Canary Yellow Travis Lows. Now this is a size 12.5W, I believe. I also have a 12W. I wish I had my personal size, but if anybody's interested, hit me up on my IG. Aside from that, you guys can see some of the up close details on this. The leather isn't great on these. It's one of the main things I'll say. It's nice, but the leather isn't amazing on these. The suede's pretty good though. I like the colorway on that, how it ended up looking in hand, how that hits with, you know, the blue swoosh on these. And I have the other pair. I'm not in the room right now, so I can go grab it. But the other pair also has red laces and blue laces, so keep in mind it's going to be coming with 2 sets of laces as well. So something I thought I'd show you guys. There's the Cactus Jack on these as well. But yeah, pretty nice shoe, very comfortable. I think it's going to be really popular just because it's a good summer colorway. And, you know, we've known about these for a while, so people are going to, you know, want them since they've seen the photos for so long. And it's like, oh, wow, they're actually finally coming to light. Yeah, we need these. So one of the first ones I want to show you guys right here, the Travis Canary Lows. Let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair right here, because it's super clean. I can't lie. Like these are nice. And yeah, I think it's rumored for around, I think it's May 17th. Yeah, y'all can check that out right there. But yeah, I believe these are rumored for May 17th. So just keep that in mind. But they may, you know, get pushed back. Wouldn't surprise me. But rumored for the month of May, we have the Canary Yellow Lows, the Travis Lows. These are nice. Like if I hit my personal size, whew, I'm not selling those. Well, yeah, probably not. Because I mean, I like these. These are clean. You know, I'll leave it at that. So aside from that, another one we got right here, man. Little size 9.5. You want to take a little quick look right there. But aside from that, what we got, this is, you know, just regular box. Everything comes with them. This is the Futura SB Dunk Low. Keep in mind, we may be seeing these. Well, actually, this is not a maybe. We will be seeing these release in May, because actually, we've, you know, started to see the Futura, you know, founder. He started to post pairs of these. Also, we started seeing, you know, some F&F pairs leak. Once you start seeing like F&F versions leak, stuff like that, that's when you know these are about to drop. So probably coming in May of 2024. Don't know how many pairs they're actually going to do. Probably around 10,000 to 40,000. That is the range. But aside from that, it's not really going to matter. Like between 10K to 40K, it's still going to be very, very hard to get. It's not like these are going to be mass produced. So we do have a general release pair on the way. Super clean details, but it's like, is it really general release? Because not everyone actually has a shot at it. So that's really what I mean. That's what I mean, you know, because it's going to be so these are so expensive at the moment. Like this is my 9.5. Anybody interested in these, let me know. Someone please take these off me before I tow them, because yeah, I can't be towing this expensive. I want the Canaries, I want these. I can't be wanting everything, you know what I mean? So somebody get these off me before you know, I end up wearing them. But hey, if I do, it's not the end of the world. Aside from that, just because I really like these, you know what I mean? Like, if yeah, I like them that much, you know what I mean? And the prices are insane right now, but hey, you know, that's sometimes how the market is, especially with early SB Dunk Lows. But aside from that, y'all can see there's the signature right there. Also have that on, you can see center portion of the shoe, the icy blue soles, translucent. Love that. You're going to win me over every time with that. And there is the signature that we also have on the tongue tag right there. Everything you can see on the insole as well. So aside from that, let me know your thoughts on these right here. Very, very clean shoe. And yeah, I mean, again, definitely not one to sleep on. I mean, these have a lot of money behind them, but also just actually a really nice pair. So yeah, aside from mentioning that right there, that's what I think. you know, about the Futura lows, or let me show you all the other pair as well, because each one is a little bit different. Like each one has its, you know, unique details on it. Let me show you all this so you can see on the toe box right there. Like each one is slightly different, which I think is pretty cool. And also just with a colorway like this heading into summertime, oh yeah, I mean you got the split laces too. Yeah, these are going to be a winner. You know what I mean? They're going to be really hard to get also. So that's what I can mention about the Futura SB Dunk lows, which will be dropping in May. Again, just lovely details on these. I mean, probably my favorite part would either be, you know, again, those icy blue soles or just the overall colorway that we have throughout the whole entire sneaker. I mean, these hit beautifully in hand. So that's what I can mention about this pair right here. May 2024, not sure when in May though. All I know is these are gonna be hard to get. So aside from those two right there, the final real like hyped drop I can discuss that is gonna be dropping in May of 2024. Y'all can see the box and everything for it. You know, just got the cement theme. There's a, you know, black lid for it. Oops, I did not mean to drop that. Just my personal size, luckily. But aside from that, what we got going on right here, this is the military blue Jordan 4. As you guys can see, there is the look for them. Pretty clean in hand. Again, even with all the pairs we have on the way of these are still going to be in heavy demand. I mean, there's still going to be people out there taking L's 100% because there's just so much demand for this particular colorway. Once more people figure out how comfortable they are, I've started to see people on Twitter saying, man, these are close to the SB4s. We've been saying that for a while now. So, you know, it's like, it's good to see people are catching on. And that's originally what, you know, I was thinking here. What we kind of predicted is like, you know, people are going to get these in hand. They're going to notice how nice they are. And then they're going to become really hard to get. So that's even with high stock, I think that still applies and remains. So let me know how y'all are feeling about the militaries. Personally, I think this is a big candidate for shoe of the year. Big candidate. I think there's a lot of potential for these to be shoe of the year. But I think that's all up to you guys to decide. But I think it's gonna be these, it's gonna be the breads, or it's gonna be some sort of collab. That's pretty much what I'm thinking. These breads or something like one other thing. But these and the breads are 100% of the top 3 for this year. That's what I think. So, and you know, you can kind of swat that out. I'm not saying one is better than the other. You know, that's a whole debate. We discussed that in my last few videos. It's a whole debate, but I don't want to get into that. So, aside from that, let me know your thoughts on the military blues down below. Let me know your thoughts on the canaries also, and why don't you go ahead and also let me know your thoughts on the Futura SB Dunk Low, man. We got a lot of heat on the way. There's a lot of reasons to make sure you're paying attention in the sneaker game right now, because there's still some serious money. Like some stuff is seriously flipping still. Y'all can hear, oh, that's a trolley honking. Or someone going crazy. Aside from that, yeah, just let me know your thoughts on some of these upcoming kicks. I really like them. And yeah, honestly, probably my favorite would be either the militaries or the Futura SB Dunk Low. I really like the canary lows. Like, I normally don't rock with Travis lows, but this colorway, it's hitting in hand. It really does. These hit beautifully in hand. So that's what I can mention about him. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts on some of these pairs that we showed in the video right here. And military, I'll show you all box label and everything. So I was talking about this in my video yesterday because I thought it was funny. They're calling these the industrial blue, but check out the box. Look what it says right there on the box. Military blue. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, Nike, just call them the military blues, all right? It's like the 2006 military blues, right? That's what I've heard, or like the 89 ones. That's what the color is closer to instead of the, you know, the 2012 one. Because everyone's been looking at the 2012 one and they're like, hey, the blue's not the same. Well, it's not based off the 2012 one, you know what I mean? So that's what I can leave it at. But let me know your thoughts on some of these shoes we showed in the video right here. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below, man. I'm going to keep grinding. We've been posting a video every single day in April, and we're not stopping tomorrow either. So that's what I can leave it at. Let me know your thoughts on some of these pairs on the way. And yeah, again, hit me on my IG down below if y'all want to enter for the free military blue giveaway on my pinned reel right there. Feel free to do that. You can hit me up with my store. I'm always buying, selling, trading. I got like, you know, obviously all these items right here are for sale. Military blues might be gone by the time this video is out, but if they're still available, I'm asking anybody that watches this video, I'll give a little deal. I'm asking $290 today only. I'll mail them out ASAP tomorrow. Because yeah, a lot of people, I had 2 people hit me up today that wanted to take them at $300, and they both flex. So hey, if someone's for real, I got you with $290. But that is what I will leave it at. Oh, I just got a call from a spam number. That's always good. Yeah, aside from that, we got some beautiful releases on the way. May is going to be a nice month for sneakers, I can say that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on everything down below. I think I already said subscribe, like. Just trying to 200 likes in this video just supports the channel. Lets me know y'all want more content like this. And that's really what I can say and wrap it up with. So I got some homework to do. I got to edit this video too. So, you know, the day is not done, but we got some work to do. So that's what I'm going to leave it at. Let me know your thoughts on these shoes and hit me up if you're interested in any. Don't forget, I got like 12W and 12.5 W in these. I got 9.5 W Futura. And the military, I got a 6.5 Y also, grade school. So just let me know. You know, I got a few shoes. They're all in my story. You'll be able to see them there. But that's it. I don't want to talk too much. You know, we all got stuff to do. So we'll catch you guys in the next video coming soon. Should be tomorrow. Peace.